Hey guys, what is up? I know it's been a hot minute since I've dropped a car video, and so that is what I'm giving you guys today. I'm going to ignore my phone because it's ringing right now. But I'm going to be showing you guys right now the exhaust that I have for the MK7 that we just got in, and we are going up today to the shop to have it put on. So here we just got in a few days ago a Armytrix exhaust for the MK7. So what's really cool about this exhaust is that it is valvetronic. So you can close and open the valves to make it quieter or louder. And then here I just kind of have like a quick view for you guys. I'll have a better view when we actually get to the shop and unwrap everything. But here I just went ahead and pulled out one of the quad exhaust tips. I'll show you right now. Ignore my horrible parking job. Right now we have the quad exhaust tips on it, and usually with this exhaust it just comes with the dual, and we wanted to keep the quad exhaust tips, so we're going to try and have them put on the quads. And then here we have the cool little key fob. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting ready. I'm just waiting for Mason to come home from work, and then we're gonna head up to the shop and get the exhaust put on. So I'm gonna go finish getting ready. Look who's home.
It's hot.
It is hot. I keep dropping the keys. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet.
I got you.
Yeah. Alright, so we're about to head up there. We just need to get the box in the car. And move all the other cars. Alright, well, all the cars are officially moved. The box is in the car, and I'm going to close it now so we can go. Are you driving?
Yeah, I'll drive. You have keys?
They're in the car already.
Okay. We just buckled up. Remember to always buckle up. We are on our way to Full Lock Drift Shop. It's about a 40-minute drive, so that's not bad. It's probably the closest exhaust shop to us, so yeah, it does kind of suck. But I'm excited. I've heard great things about them, and I'm excited to try them out. But we have to make a pit stop at Walmart, and then we'll be there. Wow, the skies look beautiful. To hear the new exhaust. For the past couple of days, just waiting for it to come in, I've just been curious at how different it's gonna sound from the exhaust that's on it now. Right now we just have, it's a custom exhaust, and we have the CTS downpipe, which this one is catted, and then the one, the Armytrix is actually catless, and it is gonna be a valvetronic muffler. So I'm super excited to hear how it's gonna sound. What are your opinions? I think it's gonna sound great.
I think it's gonna sound great.
I think it's gonna sound better than this, just because, you know, this is just a cheap alternative till a real exhaust got in.
That is true.
So, you know, I think it won't sound as raspy and, you know, ricerish.
Are you
excited to drive?
Oh yeah, I'm super excited.
So we just got here, we're at Full Lock Drift Shop, and we are going to be putting on the new Armytrix exhaust, and they have it all laid out now. I'm gonna unwrap everything so I can show you guys, and then we're gonna put the car on the lift and take the old one off.
So, what do you think of the quality so far of it?
The quality looks so nice. It looks so good. I just can't wait to hear what it sounds like.
I know.
That's the most exciting part. I have the new exhaust unwrapped and we have the old one off the car. So I'm going to show you guys the difference between the old exhaust and the new one. The quality of the new exhaust is fantastic. I'm going to show you now. So here is the exhaust that was on it. Just look at these welds. Absolutely terrible. Now I'm going to show you the quality of the Armytrix exhaust. Just look how beautiful it is. It's stainless steel. Look how nice these welds are. Well, we decided to do a spontaneous drift sesh, so just stay tuned.
What are you doing out here, buddy?
Look at the puppers!
Cat's jealous because he wants to ride with.
That is so funny. The moment of truth. I'm short, I gotta move myself first. That is much quieter.
That's the valve's closed.
I'm about to say that has to be it closed.
Yeah.
Do you want to get the key fob?
Yeah, I don't know.
Wow, this is much quieter than the old exhaust.
But
Alright, so our little dilemma was we didn't ask him prior what each thing on the key fob meant, and it's not very specific, so we're gonna just mess with it and see what it does. Which one should I push first? Should I push the cool one first?
Yeah, top one first.
The top one?
Yeah, no.
That's not the cool one though.
Top one.
definitely off.
Auto?
It must be auto.
You wanna put it on now?
I would say this one has to be on because it's the loudest. It pops the most. Sounds so good. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mason's like, give me.
Sounds like you can actually be fast.
I know. Alright, so it's off. It pops like mini.
Peppers,
Pull it out so you can get
you
it.
gotta give me a hug because I'm leaving you. You're such a sad puppy. Alright guys, we are about to leave the shop and go do some test runs.
Pops
Sounds like it's flowing, bro.
so much.
It's gonna be fun.
How do you like it?
I like it a lot.
Good?
Yeah, it sounds much better.
Turn it off.
Is this one off, I assume?
Yeah, now try to do a pull with it off. Let's see how it sounds.
You want me to go back around and pull?
Yeah. That's crazy how just quiet it is.
I can try the auto mode.
Oh yeah, we gotta try the auto mode.
Literally go from 1 second exhaust, nothing.
Try putting it on auto and just see how that sounds.
There's no backup.
So it's quiet unless it hits boost. That's what it sounds like.
That's crazy.
Sounds so good.
So how do you like it? First thoughts.
I love it. Our neighbors won't hate us anymore.
Exactly. Cool.
Can I?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Here's your keys.
It's the life to happiness.
Go unlock your Decepticon.
Alright. Are we saying our goodbyes?
Yeah.
He's like,
And go home.
it was nice meeting you.
Thank you so
Sorry
much
for being
again.
dirty.
No, you're good.
Thank you again.
Thank you guys
Nice
so
meeting
much.
you. You'll have a great day.
Yes,
I'll be seeing you
definitely.
tomorrow.
Major shout out, Bullock. I'm gonna link everything below, so make sure you guys check them out. So we're gonna go ahead and do some clips. We're gonna start with the valves open, which is the top button. So we're gonna go ahead and do some pulls.